I really liked seeing the factory, all the different types of wood, how wood can be changed and formed.
Through our Manufacturing and Trades Day field trips, students learn about the wide range of careers that exist in fields such as welding, construction, engineering, management, and so much more. Opportunities exist for all levels of education right here in our own community.
We learned about different machinery, different types of jobs, when to come in the workforce, and different types of training. Things that I thought were so simple are actually a lot more realistic now that I'm here.
Exploring pathways in manufacturing and the trades is an excellent option that can open doors to stable, high-demand professions.
This helps me to be more realistic about my future, about getting a job and the process of then keeping a job and showing up on time, all of those things that are so important.
Many employers will hire students directly out of high school and then pay for further education and training.
Yeah, I had the opportunity during high school to go on a manufacturing day. I went to a few different manufacturing plants, which Print Pack was one of them, and it was pretty cool to see their process, and to eventually end up working there was pretty cool. Print Pack is sending me to school in the evening to do electrical classes to help broaden my scope at Print Pack. I'm going to get a promotion and just broaden my horizons.
It's very exciting to see students that have gone on a Manufacturing and Trades Day field trip to then flourishing in that field when they graduate. It's given them that spark that that's what I want to do when I graduate. And then they get employed, and then they are moving up. So it's just a great opportunity for them and a great career. WJCC Schools is committed to ensuring that every student graduates with a strong plan that leads to a successful and fulfilling career after high school.
It was a really great experience, and to be so young and to learn about the workforce is really amazing.